Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorials. So in this video I'll be going to show you how to use or activate two WhatsApp account in a single mobile phone. So let's begin the tutorial. So to use the two WhatsApp account in your mobile phone, you need to go to the setting, and then go to this dual app option. Well, this is only available in the Redmi mobile phone. So if you are using different smartphone, then the process will be different. So click on this. Now here you will get which application you would like to create dual account. Like suppose, let's say, suppose I want to create two WhatsApp application, then just you need to enable this option. And you can see here is one WhatsApp account, that is original WhatsApp, and another one is created with this symbol. Let me show you by opening this application. So I have created two WhatsApp application in my mobile phone. So this method is only works in Redmi mobile phone. So if you are using different mobile phone, you can install the third-party application from the Play Store. You need to install this application. Let me install it first. You will see an options to add application. Just tap on it and you'll get an options to create dual account of the application. You need to select the application which you would like to create the dual account. Then click on, I have selected the WhatsApp account, so now click here, add to parallel space. As you can see here, application is added. Let's open it. Application is installed in my system. So by this way you can activate two WhatsApp account or any other applications account